Here we are going to study about what is accounting and how we can use accounting to earn money in real life. Accounting is basically a process of recording, summarizing, analyzing and interpreting financial information for the users of the information. Recording means recording of economic events and business events in the accounting records to collect a raw data which can be summarized later on in the month-end and year-end. Once this has been done, summarization of accounts takes place, where the accounts are closed so that trial balance can be prepared. After which, income statement and statement of financial position can be prepared. Now the question arises why a company is going to prepare these. Well, these are prepared to help the users of the information in taking better decisions for their business. Now, who are the users of information? They are the managers, shareholders, customers, creditors, government, and others. They need to take everyday decisions from the data. Since the data is still in raw form or is half processed, it still needs to be analysed and later on interpreted in the form of ratio analysis and notes to accounts respectively. This completes the last step of accounting. One more question is, what is financial information? Well, the information that we can record in monetary terms is called financial information. Economic events and business events cannot always be converted into financial information, but they do impact the decisions of the shareholders and other users of the information. Hence, rather than being taken into account, rather they are shown in the form words. For example, a major fraud in the business will help the shareholders to decide whether to invest in this company or not. Now, the last question is, where is all of this location provided and how? All of this information is transferred through annual report. This report is like report of a company, stating its performance in all areas, and hence, users of information or stakeholders can make key decisions. Now, last question is, how can we earn through this career in accounts and finance? Well, you can do BSc in accounting and finance, after which you can either do ICMA or CA to help you become a chartered accountant or costs and management accountant, or you can do MBA finance to help you become a finance manager in one of the corporate companies. Their salaries typically start from 70,000 to 150,000 and can reach up to 10 lakhs per month and beyond, based on your experience and work ethics.